Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to draw a cute little Sonic. We're going to start with the eyeballs on either side. 1, 2. And then we're going to do some circles for the highlights. And then let's do a little area for the color and then color in the areas below. Once you're done with this, we're just going to draw in the whites and eyes by starting off with the nose muzzle. And then we're going to do here the eyes with this T-shape on top. Once you're done with this, we're going to loop it around and get it moving. So, let's draw in the head shape. It's gonna be rotating around all the way down. And then we're gonna loop it for the cheek right here. And then we're gonna do the other side of the cheek right here. And then let's do a little smile. Like so. And with the head done, let's just draw in the big hair. And we're going to go from this point and we'll go all the way over here. Across. And then we're going to go down. Let's give me the Sonic hair. With the hair done, we're going to draw in the body. Continue with the boot. We're going to go from this point and go up. And then we're going to do this big oval spot right here. Big oval. And then connect it back to the bottom. And then 2 lines for the white. With one boot down, we're going to do the other boot now. Go up. Do an oval right here. And then the same detail on this side. Right here. So much for watching. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe.